Hi, my name is Rob from Ahead Simulations, and I'm going to be giving you a quick walkthrough of our new Alex product. As you can see, the Alex is a new simulated mannequin that we have specifically for live hearing demos. There's two different ways to configure your Alex, one with a single ear and a reference mic, or a swappable double ear version for comparing devices. As you can see, it's meant to be extremely simple. There's a screen on the front to tell you what it's doing at all times. There's a switch microphone input button, a volume knob, and then on the back there's 4 headphones that you could plug in, a power switch, and a spot to plug in your power adapter. So to boot up your Alex, all you need to do is plug in the power cord that comes with it, turn it on, and Alex will be preparing right now to output the sound directly from the in-canal microphone in the ear or the reference microphone on this model. If you have the double ear installed inside of your Alex, you will be able to listen to either the top set of ears at once or the bottom set of ears at once in order to compare 2 different devices. So you can see the screen here is initializing. It's turning on and it's setting up the whole Alex system. As soon as it's on, you'll see the little display tells you what you're listening to at one time. When the ear is lit up green, that means we're listening to the ear level mic. When I click this button, you'll see the light on the actual Alex reference mic lit up, so now we're listening to that. There is a volume knob that changes the volume on the actual screen. And so all you do, plug in the headphones at the back, and you'll be listening to exactly what Alex is listening to.